Are you looking for a headset that doesn't suck and is affordable? Well, you came to the right video. I'm going to be reviewing the EKSA E900 Pro. Now, this video is sponsored and this headset was sent to me, but you guys already know how I do. I'm going to give you guys my honest opinions, mention the pros and cons, and yeah, let's get right into it. The giveaway is still on for the Xbox Series S, so if you guys want a chance to win, just follow the link in the description down below and you might be a lucky winner. The first thing I want to talk about is the design. This is important because, well, if you have a gaming setup, you want a nice looking headset. And especially if you're going to put it up on a stand, which I have this Tilted Nation headset stand. Now, what's included inside the box, you have a bag, you have the Type-C cable, you have a jack, you have the PC extension cable. So I never really use that, I just use USB. I do like the bag, but I much prefer having a case than just the bag. This looked very similar to the HyperX, which is not a bad thing. I love the way how those headsets look, and especially with this black and red color scheme. They do offer a green and black if you into that. And yes, there are some corners cut just to reduce the cost. Like for example, the mesh here that you guys see, the grill, that is made out of plastic. And then as you guys can see, I have them right here as we speak on the stand. It looks really nice. Goes along with my gaming setup here, especially with the LED light. Now it is only one color, it doesn't have RGB. The difference is RGB is the cycle through colors, multi-light. This is only an LED, which is red. If you select the green headset, that's gonna be white. Now inside the air cushions, you can easily tell which side is which. So you have the L side and the right side, left and right. So you can easily see it right away. The headset is super lightweight, but doesn't really feel cheap. Now on the left side, you have all of your controls, such as the mute button, your volume slider, and your jack to plug in to your controller or PC. And then you have a Type-C port that is just for the LED lights. And that's gonna also enable 7.1 surround sound. We're gonna talk more about that in a little bit. Unfortunately, you do not have a mixer between the voice chat and the game chat. I would have loved to see it here. Now, I wish these headsets can lay flat. I understand the importance of having that because let's say you want to take a break, a little breather, you could rest the headset around your neck and you could just be rocking out. But with these, unfortunately, they don't fold whatsoever. And unfortunately, this isn't wireless, so you don't have no wireless connectivity. But this is not really a deal breaker for me because we have to worry about charging, dongles. It is compatible on the Xbox, PS4, PS5. I'm using it on my PS5. I haven't used it on the PS4, but I'm sure it works. And of course, I even test this thing out on my PC. If you guys missed that video, I'll throw a link in the description. Connecting it using the provided USB-C cable, so USB-A to USB-C to the headset. But on my PS5, I just connected directly to the DualSense, so just using the 3.5mm jack. Now, unfortunately, none of the cables are braided, but I do appreciate that the cables are detachable, so be able to disconnect the 3.5 cable. If that goes bad, you can buy another cable. It's still gonna be way cheaper than spending $50 again. And yes, the microphone is detachable. Here's how they sound. This is the E900 Pro. Let me know down in the comments down below how's the mic. And fun little fact, when I switched to these, my friends haven't even noticed a difference. My previous headphones that I was using were the Sennheiser Plus Drop P38X. Those cost $170, guys, and this costs just under $50. All right, so here are my previous headphones that I used. This is the Drop plus Sennheiser's P38X, and I love this so much. The sound quality is amazing. The microphone is good. But yeah, although these might sound better for the microphone, but the E900 Pro is really no slouch. Now the air cushion is super soft. It's not that harsh leather. There's like a little memory foam in there, just a little bit. I still prefer cloth air cuffs, but that's just my personal opinion. But the PU leather, of course, that's cutting back on the cost yet again. I did feel a little heat building up, but it wasn't uncomfortable. You get what I'm saying? I think if I'm playing any game for a long period of time, I want to take breaks. Now, 27 days of just wearing this, I'm gaming, playing GTA, Call of Duty. I'm playing Valorant on my PC. You can hear everything. You can hear the footsteps. I would say the 7.1 surround sound is a bit of a gimmick because I can't really hear a difference. I play Warzone on my PC and sometimes, occasionally, I play it on my PS5. I much prefer the PC, by the way. But I haven't really hear a difference. Like, I feel like it's not an advantage to be, oh yeah, I need that 7.1. Oh, I hear the difference between the two.
them.
MTC is running down. Pull the damn plug.
All right, so let's put everything on a scale rating. Design, I'm easily gonna give it a 3 out of 5. There's some compromises, some corners cut, but hey, for under $50, you really can't complain. In terms of the mic, it's not the best. It's not like a perfect mic, like the best microphone I ever heard. And in terms of the sound, I'm gonna give this a 3.5 out of 5. I don't know, after hearing the Xbox, yo, that blew me away. A lot of bass, a lot of thumpness. This, it sounds a little flat, but it's not flat enough where I can give it like a terrible score. It still sounds solid. So solid 3 out of 5 on the sound department. The overall score I'm giving these a 4 out of 5. A solid 4 out of 5. So yeah, that basically concludes my review. I throw an Amazon affiliate link down below. If you use that link to purchase this headset, I do get a small commission. So you will support the channel if you use that link. Hope you guys have a simple day.